वेलकम बैक दोस्तों। आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे हाउ टू इंस्टॉल दिस हैंड गार्ड ऑन अ रॉयल एनफील्ड हिमालयन। और हिमालयन कुछ इस तरह दिखेगी, सो ये वीडियो बिना स्किप कीजिए एंड तक देख लेना। फर्स्ट अप लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द अनबॉक्सिंग। ये जो बॉक्स है या फिर ये प्रोडक्ट है, ये मेरे दोस्त ने ऑर्डर किया है अपने हिमालयन के लिए फ्रॉम द वेबसाइट Bandidos पिच टॉप। आफ्टर अ वेरी मेसी अनबॉक्सिंग लेट्स चेक आउट कि इस पैकेज के अंदर हमें क्या क्या मिलता है। So my friend has gone ahead and bought these knuckle guards which have kind of a carbon fiber finish to it. Along with those you get 8 Allen key bolts and 2 washers and the holder itself with 2 types of spacers, one thin and one thick, the black ones. So first step is to remove the bolt which is there on the handlebar which holds the bar and weight. While at it, do the same on the other side as well. So that would complete your step 1. Be sure to keep the bar ends safe because you'll need them. So here's the bolt which is there in the bar end, the black one, which comes from the factory, and the one on the right is from the knuckle guards. You can see how it is a little taller. Now the second step is very simple. You just have to pass the bolt provided in the knuckle guard through the knuckle guard and the bar end weight and tighten it in your handlebar. So yeah, don't tighten it fully, just make sure that it stays there and it doesn't fall. Now step 3 is pretty simple. You just have to choose one of these spacers which is suitable for you. For me, I'll choose the thicker one. And you have to place the spacer between the handlebar and the mount given for the knuckle guard. Now align the stand, this metal stand, so that it doesn't interfere with your cables and your wires. Once you've made sure that none of the wires or cables are being pulled or touched by the support which is given for the knuckle guard, use the smaller bolts on the handlebar side. This process is a little bit tedious, so take your time और आराम से करना. At the same time, don't tighten one bolt at a time. Give it 2 to 3 rounds and move to the next bolt. And use the longer one with the washer on the knuckle guard. And that's how you install your knuckle guard on a Royal Enfield Himalayan. Now yes, I have kept the knuckle guard a bit higher than the lever because if I move the knuckle guard below, like lower to the lever, it hits the console, the speedometer console. So for now I have kept it a bit higher and I'll probably move the lever a bit higher as well. But I think a height adjuster for the handlebar will solve this problem. I have done a video on that. It's on the channel. You can check it out after this video. So now let's quickly go ahead and install the knuckle guard on the left hand side as well. The process is similar and the amount of bolts given is also similar. So you just have to copy what you have done on the right hand side. So as per my friend's request, I have moved the levers a bit on top. Till he gets his handlebar adjusted, he wants to keep it on top covered by the knuckle guards. As he gets his handlebar ka height adjusted, he will move the levers back down with the knuckle guards. Because now if we go to do that, the knuckle guards do hit the speedometer console. So after checking if the knuckle guard does touch or does not touch your speedometer console, checking all the cables if they are getting pulled anywhere or anything, be sure to tighten all the bolts which you have used right now and you're good to go. So that's about it for this video. If you liked this video, if you found it useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts below. If you have any questions, comment them below and share it ahead with the Himalayan owner. And yes, you can use this handguard without any handlebar risers. You have to keep the handguard a bit on the higher side, and at the same time you have to raise the levers a bit on the higher side. So yeah, consider that. But if you're used to riding your motorcycle with your levers a bit on the lower side and you want your handle guards to or your knuckle guards to protect your levers as well, then just buy one of these. It costs hardly 200 rupees, and the whole installation process and all will cost you less than 300 rupees. I've put up the video on the channel, you can check it out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and peace out.